สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Shambhala Beach Bar ครับ
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday somebody told me about this place called the Shambhala Bar. It's in the middle of some high-end resort, probably very exclusive. Never been down here before. This is very near the ferry where you come onto the island, and this place is called the Shambhala Beach Bar. I've never heard of it, but it looks a little bit exclusive. It's just taken us 45 minutes to drive from where we're staying, but if you came over on the ferry, I should imagine it's only a couple of minutes. So Eddie Cap, well, this place looks very nice. Wow, nice pool.
Thank you.
You have many customers? No tourists?
Yeah.
Ouch. Never been here before. Okay, I just walked to the beach, have a look. I think this is up the higher end of the market compared to where we're staying, but it still looks nice. Like a little lagoon here. But while we were coming in, on the left hand side as we were driving in, there was like a big lagoon there with all high-end motorboats or yachts, whatever you call them, but not one tourist to be seen. This is beautiful. Picked the right day to come and look as well. Weather's perfect again. But I think we might have a coffee or something while we're here. Fantastic pool. You can swim right up to the bar. Poor old guy sat here alone, nothing to do. Beach is nice, Teen. Oh, perfect. I suppose nice place to come for your holidays. Well, now we're here, we're going to have a coffee. I've already eaten, but maybe Tina will have something to eat. But I said to the guy behind the bar, I said, if people come here to use the restaurant, can they still go in the pool? And he said yes. So you could come down here, have a day here, or an afternoon, bit of sunbathing. But we probably would never have found this place if somebody hadn't have told us. While we were in Annie P's yesterday, or the day before, some Falang that was there, and he gave us a couple of pointers on what to see down this end. This is pretty impressive. I think if we ever come with friends again, we'll bring them down here for the day. It's a bit too early to drink yet, so I'll settle for a coffee and a walk around. All the gardens are perfect. Well, this water doesn't look that deep, so I'm gonna go out. I can't go too far, I've still got my shorts on. Yeah, it's probably less than a foot deep here. Yeah, you can walk across here without getting your shorts wet. It's probably a little bit more high-end than I would want to pay, but if money's not a problem, then this is a place for you. The kids would probably love this because it's basically just up to my ankles. Looks like the whole little lagoon here. I'll take a walk over to the beach to have a look. Probably not too happy to have me stomping around. How tropical is this? The only palm tree on the beach. Not one person to be seen, other than me, of course. Everywhere I look is spotlessly clean. I could relax here quite easily. I'll certainly be coming back, probably not to stay, but come here with a few friends, have some beers, jump in a pool, in the sea. Nice place to relax. Even the bathroom is 5-star. Everything's spotless.
What, you got to see?
No, I don't think people want to see a video of the bathroom, but it is very nice. Just in case I didn't say before, when you come off the ferry and turn right, heading towards White Sands, just a couple of minutes, you'll see a couple of minutes on the road, you'll see a garage on the left hand side, and opposite is a little tiny lane with a big sign there saying the Royal something or other, Siam Royal. Just go down that lane, follow it to the end, and you come to this place. Me and Ting Tong in the pool.
เอาฝั่งนี้มาหาเดวิดฝั่งนี้เอ้าน้ำมันเข้าปากอย่ามาตีตรงนั้นนะไม่มัน ฮัลโหลลุงนี่ฮัลโหลฮัลโหลฮัลโหลผมฟันหรอฮัลโหลผมไม่มีฟันฮัลโหลนอนดูกับดูลุงฮัลโหลสามทียกไป
Well, this is the life.
คิวอโลนอยู่นั่นเดี๋ยวรอกันแป๊บนึง
They're all down the other end.
เราเข้าใจว่าเขาจะได้เดี๋ยวส่งไปให้
Cloncloy cottages, day out.
they are one day relax
And a beer for me.
nice very nice today
Well, very cold.
we are very cold ปวดหนาวแล้วปากมืด
Oh,
ไป
you want the beer? You want the beer?
No. ปาก
Only me today. How very hot today. Topping up my tan. Well, that road in front is the one that comes in from the main road. I didn't film this on the way in, but we're just about to leave, so this looks like a little marina. Some very nice boats in here. And this building and the one behind is called the Marina Sands Resort, which is a hotel as well. And there's looks like a few other places to stay where we were along the beach. But probably not the cheapest places in the world, but certainly a nice place to stay. So when you get off the ferry, you turn right. Just a few minutes down the road, there's a sign on the right hand side that takes you into this resort. So I would think 5 minutes from the ferry. That's it for all. That's it now. We're going back to our beach right at the other end. It's absolutely baking here at the moment, so I can't wait to get back in my air-conditioned pickup. Bye.